Tricia here on Freedom Hill. I'm in the kitchen again, and I am making some, trying to get the flame down there. The flame is about medium, I think. Well, on this burner, it's a super burner. Medium is on about 3. Anyway, I'm browning some ground beef, to which I added salt, pepper, and cumin. I'm making some tacos and beef quesadillas for dinner tonight. So I wanted to show you how I make my quick and easy salsa that I love. So stay tuned and watch me make some salsa. Okay, for my salsa, I use the Rotel brand of mild diced tomatoes and green chilies. And along with that, I use just a small yellow onion. And those are the main ingredients besides salt and pepper, of course. So let me get this ready. I do drain the tomatoes. I'll open this up with my Pampered Chef can opener since there's no pull tab. I do drain it slightly. I don't drain it completely because I do like a little, moisture in the salsa. So I will take it, go ahead and drain that ever so slightly. And today I'm using my small food processor. I didn't need to get out the big one for this, so I didn't get that ready, and I'm going to go ahead and dump my tomatoes and green chilies in there. I'm going to pulse this up a little bit, and then I will ready my onion. I just cut off the ends of the onion and peel it from there. In case you haven't noticed, I clean as I go whenever I cook. I'll just cut this up into 1-inch or so pieces so it grinds up more easily. I'm not even sure I need this whole onion in here. We'll see how it looks. I'm going to put some more onion in there. I'm going to cut it up just a little bit more because it gets full and it's harder for it to cut. I will add my salt and I will add some pepper. About 8 turns of the pepper mill. And that is it. I might grind it just a little bit more to make the onion smaller. That's my salsa. There you have it. It is delicious. It's that quick and easy. It's even better after it's been refrigerated for a while. But we're eating soon, so I'm not going to refrigerate it. But yeah, that's my homemade quick and easy salsa. You can make it in a pinch and have it with your chips and tacos. Might as well show you some more of this. Just cooking this up real nice. I'll show you what the tacos and quesadillas look like.